Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your role. You must be the family organizer to change the family payment method or get explicit organizer approval. Once confirmed, open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing and Purchase Sharing. Make sure the new card or Apple ID payment is already added under Wallet or Settings right arrow payment and shipping so you don't interrupt purchases. Doing this first prevents failed charges. It also lets you complete the change in one flow without toggling between apps or calling support. You now replace the payment method. In Purchase Sharing, tap the payment area and choose Edit or Add Payment Method. Enter card details or select an Apple ID balance. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when prompted. Once added, move the new payment to the top or set it as the default for family purchases so charges route correctly. Make sure billing address and CVV match the card issuer's records. Inconsistent info is the most common cause of later rejections. Finish by confirming the organizer's payment shows as the family default in Purchase Sharing and that recent subscriptions bill to it. Once done, ask family members to sign out and back into their Apple ID if purchases continue to fail. This forces an update to purchase settings. If a card shows declined or requires authorization, contact the card issuer. Holds and mismatched billing details are typical causes. If problems persist, remove and re-add the payment method to force a fresh authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.